Hey guys, welcome back to StarMax Energy. This is Anya. Today I'd like to bring you guys a new arrival of Cattle CATL 4 Series 1 Power 174 amp hour lithium ion battery module for you guys. Yes, this one is beside me. The brand is Cattle CATL. The size of the module is the same as the previous of 180 amp hour. The width of the cell is 150. The height of the cell is 110. The length of the cell is 355 millimeter. And this is the size all the same. So it is also the 355 VDA battery module. The brand is Cattle CATL. The manufacture date is 2022. This is a very new module. The sales voltage range is 2.75 to 4.35. So it is a high voltage version for battery module. The capacity test for the high voltage range for 2.75 to 4.35. The capacity is 177. For the normal voltage test, 2.75 to 4.2, the capacity is only 164. So, for this battery module, as we know, for Nissan Leaf car replacement, you need your BMS only accept is the normal voltage 2.75 to 4.2 volt. So if you use for your Nissan Leaf car replacement, it only can get 58 kilowatt hour. Yeah, 58 kilowatt hour. Okay, let me to show you the details about this battery module to see the manufacture date and the label about it. It's totally new module. You can see this is 4 Series 1 parallel. 4 Series 1 parallel. Here is the manufacturer name. CATL for name, and the manufacturer, and here have the voltage for each type of cell, 3.66 174 amp hour. The weight of the module is 12.2 kilogram. It is the new module. Why we said that we can open the module and to see the inside details inside. Here is 2022 manufacture date. They have 4 pieces of 3.66 174 amp hour cattle cell inside the module. And here is the case, yellow case. This case is put on here. And we can see the manufacture date is to see the arrow point. The year arrow point 2022, the month point to the June. So it is very new module. For this type of battery module, here I'd like to share with you about my opinion on it. The advantage of this type module, first is the manufacture date. It is 2022. It is a very new module. The second is about the price. The price is not is of promotion. The price is USD 120 USD dollar per piece. So if you to replace your Nissan Leaf car, you need to buy the 24 pieces, and the total cost is only the total cost is 2,880 USD dollar. It is very cost effective. This is the advantage. For the disadvantage, we consider this is the high voltage type. If use the high voltage to test to use this module, you can get the full capacity that is 174. But as we know, if you use for Nissan Leaf car, you cannot use the high voltage. You only can use is the normal voltage 4.2. So you only can get is 164 ampere hour. So you only can get 58 kilowatt hour. Yes, that will be a little bit lower energy compared to 180 ampere hour normal voltage type. And the second disadvantage is about the weight. As I showed you the weight of the module, it is the 12.2 kilogram, so the energy density is a little bit lower compared to 180 ampere hour. So how about your opinion on it? For the 4 series 1 parallel 174 ampere hour, you can get is 58 kilowatt hour, but the price can be very competitive in the market. Tell me your opinion on it and leave a message on my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for your visiting our YouTube channel and see you in this video. Bye bye.